Quadrilaterals. The word quadrilateral just means four sides. Quad means four, lateral means sides. Any four-sided shape is a quadrilateral, but the sides have to be straight and it has to be two-dimensional. Properties of quadrilaterals. First, they must have four sides, called edges. They must have four vertices, which are corners, and the interior angles must add up to 360 degrees. Notice the two examples in the picture below. There are different types of quadrilaterals. The first type is a rectangle. A rectangle is a four-sided shape where every angle is a right angle. A right angle is 90 degrees. Opposite sides are parallel and are of equal length. In the picture, you can see the little blue lines. Those denote that the side lengths are congruent. Congruent means same. The black arrows denote the parallel sides. The next type of quadrilateral is a rhombus. A rhombus is a four-sided shape where all sides have equal length. Opposite sides are parallel and opposite angles are equal. Again, notice the blue lines denote that they have equivalent lengths of sides. The black arrows denote parallel sides, and the orange hash marks and curves indicate equivalent angles. Squares. A square has equal sides and every angle is a right angle. Opposite sides are parallel. A square also fits the definition of a rectangle, which has all four angles are 90 degrees, and the definition of a rhombus, where all sides are equal length. Parallelograms. A parallelogram has opposite sides parallel and are equal in length. Also, opposite angles are equal. Note, squares, rectangles, and rhombuses are all parallelograms. Trapezoids. A trapezoid has one pair of opposite sides that are parallel. Isosceles trapezoid. Isosceles trapezoids have sides that aren't parallel that are equal in length, and they both have angles, and both angles coming from the parallel side are equal as shown. This trapezoid right here is isosceles. Notice, these sides are not parallel to each other, but they do have one set of parallel sides, denoted by the black arrows. Please write the next couple examples down and complete them. Example number 1. Which correctly names the figure below? A. Rectangle, B. Parallelogram, C. Square, or D. None of the above. Example number 2. Which of the following name or names correctly identify this figure below? A. Quadrilateral, B. Parallelogram, C. Rectangle, D. Square, E. Trapezoid. Notice the given information on the side. Example number 3. Example number 3 includes the graph of 4 points which come together to create quadrilateral ABCD. Could you consider ABCD to be a rectangle? You need to explain how you would prove whether or not ABCD is or is not a rectangle.